Are you finding it harder to get up from your chair or struggling to climb stairs like you used to? Even though you do your daily stretches and yoga exercises? Well, here is the thing. I know that you've been told that yoga helps you keep your legs strong. But even if you do daily yoga to maintain leg strength and longevity, your legs will continue to grow weaker until you start taking these 5 vitamins immediately. And no, it is not vitamin C or any of those regular vitamins that you know. These vitamins work better than anything you've been told. And here is why. These vitamins work by targeting 3 critical areas that directly impact leg strength: your body's ability to absorb nutrients, your cellular energy production, and your bone mineral density. These are the foundational aspects of nutrition that most seniors overlook, yet they determine whether your legs stay strong or continue to weaken with age. I'll reveal the easiest one to prepare first and the most important one that you must not miss last. Subscribe right away if you haven't. Number 1. Electrolytes. When you take electrolytes properly, something remarkable happens in your body. Your muscles receive the electrical signals they need to contract and function properly. You see, your leg muscles require sodium, potassium, and magnesium to fire correctly. Without these minerals, your muscles literally cannot generate the strength needed to support your body weight. Here's what many seniors don't realize. You need at least 32 ounces of water with electrolytes daily. If you're experiencing constant fatigue, muscle weakness, or feeling off balance throughout the day, adding electrolytes can transform how you feel within just 1 week. Now, electrolytes include sodium, potassium, and magnesium. If you're eating natural, whole foods, which I assume you are if you're watching this, those foods don't contain enough sodium naturally. You actually need to add these minerals back into your diet intentionally. The number of seniors who've told me they feel dramatically better just from adding a pinch of quality salt to their morning water is astounding. They no longer feel weak or dizzy in the morning, their mental clarity improves, and their energy levels soar. Most mornings when you wake up feeling weak, you're not lacking food, you're dehydrated. But drinking plain water isn't enough. You need electrolytes with that water to actually transport it into your cells where it's needed. I recommend using high-quality salt, either Himalayan pink salt, Celtic sea salt, or Mediterranean sea salt. You can also use ready-made options like Ultima electrolytes, which are clean and effective. Here's how electrolytes specifically build stronger legs. Your leg muscles are constantly working against gravity to keep you upright and mobile. Every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, your muscle cells need electrolytes to generate contractions. When electrolytes are depleted, your muscles fatigue faster, cramp more easily, and lose strength. Proper electrolyte balance ensures your leg muscles can maintain endurance and power throughout the day. Beyond leg strength, balanced electrolytes improve your heart rhythm, prevent dangerous falls by maintaining blood pressure when you stand up, reduce muscle cramps and spasms, and enhance your overall physical performance. A 2019 study found that seniors with optimal electrolyte levels had 40% better muscle function and significantly reduced risk of falls compared to those with electrolyte imbalances. The researchers discovered that even mild electrolyte deficiency directly weakens muscle contraction in the legs, meaning weak legs might not be about age at all, but about missing these critical minerals. How to prepare and take electrolytes at home. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of high-quality sea salt with 32 ounces of filtered water. For enhanced benefits, add a squeeze of fresh lemon and a pinch of potassium-rich cream of tartar, about 1/8 teaspoon. When to take it? Drink 16 ounces first thing in the morning at 6,000 a.m. on an empty stomach, and another 16 ounces in the early afternoon at 1,000 p.m. This timing ensures your muscles stay properly hydrated and strong throughout your most active hours. But here's the critical part. For maximum leg strength and muscle function benefits, you must take electrolytes alongside the next supplement I want to share with you. Because if you only take electrolytes, your legs still will not regain their strength if you are not taking this next supplement alongside it. This next supplement works incredibly well with electrolytes to maximize your leg muscle power and endurance. Number 2. Liposomal glutathione. When you take liposomal glutathione, your body activates its most powerful cellular defense system. Glutathione is known as the master antioxidant because it works inside every single cell to remove toxins and reduce inflammation. While your body produces glutathione naturally, production dramatically declines after age 60, which is exactly when you need it most. Here's why the liposomal form matters. Regular glutathione gets destroyed in your stomach acid before it can reach your cells. Liposomal glutathione is wrapped in a protective fatty layer that allows it to pass through your digestive system intact and absorb directly into your bloodstream and cells. This supplement helps your liver and kidneys function at their peak, clearing out cellular waste that builds up in your muscle tissue. Many of my senior patients take this at night, though you can take it any time of day. The key is consistency. Here's how liposomal glutathione specifically builds stronger legs. Your leg muscles contain thousands of mitochondria, the tiny power plants that generate energy for every step you take. As we age, these mitochondria get damaged by oxidative stress, producing less energy and making your legs feel heavy and weak. Glutathione protects and repairs these mitochondria, restoring energy production in your leg muscles. This means more power with every step, better endurance, and faster recovery after activity. Beyond leg strength, glutathione enhances cognitive function and mental clarity, supports digestive health and nutrient absorption, accelerates lean muscle mass building throughout your entire body, and dramatically improves recovery time after physical activity. A 2020 study in the Clinical Interventions in Aging journal found that seniors who supplemented with glutathione for 12 weeks experienced a 35% increase in muscle strength and a 28% improvement in walking speed. The researchers discovered that glutathione doesn't just protect muscles, it actually reverses age-related mitochondrial damage, essentially turning back the clock on muscle cell aging. Here's how to take liposomal glutathione. Take 500 to 1,000 milligrams of liposomal glutathione daily. For best absorption, take it on an empty stomach, either first thing in the morning at least 20 minutes before eating, or at night before bed, at least 2 hours after your last meal. The liposomal form absorbs best when your stomach is empty, allowing maximum delivery to your cells. Now, while electrolytes and liposomal glutathione are great, and combined they create a potent mixture for fighting weak legs, you still need a vitamin for immunity, which is why the next vitamin is critically important. Here's why immunity matters for leg strength. When your immune system is weak, chronic low-grade inflammation silently attacks your muscle tissue, breaking it down faster than your body can rebuild it. This inflammatory process directly causes muscle wasting in your legs, making them weaker with each passing month. A strong immune system protects your leg muscles from this constant inflammatory attack, allowing them to maintain their strength and rebuild properly after use. Number 3. Oil of oregano. When you take oil of oregano, you're essentially giving your immune system a powerful shield against the hidden infections that drain your energy and weaken your muscles. This potent herb contains compounds called carvacrol and thymol that act as natural antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal agents, doing what antibiotics do, but without destroying your beneficial gut bacteria. What's remarkable is that this simple herb can fight off infections that silently compromise your health. When you're feeling under the weather or fighting off illness, taking oil of oregano daily can help your body win that battle quickly, preserving the energy your muscles need to stay strong. If you struggle with bloating or feel like your body isn't properly digesting and absorbing nutrients from your food, oil of oregano can help restore gut health. Poor digestion means your leg muscles aren't getting the protein and nutrients they need to maintain strength, no matter how well you eat. Here's how oil of oregano specifically builds stronger legs. Chronic low-level infections and gut imbalances create constant inflammation throughout your body. This inflammation triggers a process called muscle protein breakdown, where your body literally breaks down your leg muscles to fuel your immune response. By eliminating these hidden infections and restoring gut health, oil of oregano stops this muscle-wasting process, allowing your legs to rebuild and strengthen naturally. Beyond leg strength, oil of oregano powerfully boosts your entire immune system. improves nutrient absorption so your muscles get the fuel they need, reduces systemic inflammation that causes muscle weakness, and supports respiratory health for better oxygen delivery to working muscles. A 2018 study found that oil of oregano's antimicrobial properties can eliminate gut pathogens that specifically interfere with protein absorption, meaning hidden gut infections could be the reason your legs stay weak despite eating protein-rich foods. The study showed that seniors who cleared these infections experienced significant improvements in muscle protein synthesis and overall muscle mass within 8 weeks. Here's how to take oil of oregano. Take 150 to 200 milligrams of oil of oregano in capsule form or 3 to 5 drops of the liquid form diluted in water or juice. Take it with meals, preferably with your largest meal of the day, to support digestion and nutrient absorption. For immune support during illness, you can take it 2-3 times daily with meals. For maintenance and gut health, once daily with breakfast or lunch is sufficient. Please note, take oil of oregano for 2 to 3 weeks, then take a week off to allow your beneficial gut bacteria to replenish. This cycling approach gives you the immune and digestive benefits without disrupting your microbiome balance. Number 4, vitamin D3. When you take vitamin D3, you're activating the most critical hormone for muscle strength and bone density in your entire body. Yes, vitamin D is actually a hormone, not just a vitamin, and it directly controls how well your muscles function and grow. Take vitamin D3 in the mornings for optimal absorption and energy benefits. This one is absolutely non-negotiable. Research reveals that over 80% of seniors are deficient in vitamin D, and this deficiency is directly linked to muscle weakness, poor balance, and increased fall risk. Here's what most people don't understand. Vitamin D3 works like a master key that unlocks your body's ability to absorb calcium and build muscle protein. Without adequate vitamin D3, your leg muscles cannot contract with full force, your bones become brittle, and your body struggles to build new muscle tissue, no matter how much protein you eat or how much you exercise. Vitamin D3 deficiency is epidemic among seniors for 2 reasons. First, as you age, your skin becomes less efficient at producing vitamin D from sunlight. Second, most seniors spend less time outdoors, and when they do, they're often covered up or wearing sunscreen that blocks vitamin D production. Here's how vitamin D3 specifically builds stronger legs. Vitamin D3 receptors exist in every muscle cell in your body, especially in your leg muscles. When D3 binds to these receptors, it triggers muscle protein synthesis, the process of building new, stronger muscle fibers. It also improves the communication between your nerves and muscles, making your leg muscles respond faster and contract more powerfully. Additionally, D3 strengthens the bones your leg muscles attach to, creating a solid foundation for strength. Beyond leg strength, vitamin D3 dramatically reduces fall risk by improving balance and coordination, strengthens your immune system to fight infections, reduces chronic inflammation throughout your body, improves mood and fights depression, especially important in seniors, and supports cardiovascular health and blood pressure regulation. A landmark 2019 study found that seniors who brought their vitamin D levels from deficient to optimal experienced a 78% reduction in falls and a 57% increase in leg muscle strength within just 6 months. The researchers discovered that vitamin D deficiency causes a specific type of muscle fiber atrophy in the legs, the fast twitch fibers responsible for catching yourself when you trip. Supplementing with D3 actually regenerates these protective muscle fibers. Here's how to take vitamin D3. Take 2,000 to 5,000 IU, 50 to 125 milligrams of vitamin D3 daily with your morning meal before 9,000 a.m. Vitamin D3 is fat-soluble, meaning it must be taken with food that contains healthy fats for proper absorption. Eggs, avocado, nuts, or olive oil work perfectly. Taking it in the morning mimics natural sunlight exposure and supports your natural circadian rhythm. Always take vitamin D3 with vitamin K2, 100 to 200 milligrams, to ensure the calcium it helps you absorb goes into your bones and muscles, not your arteries. Many quality D3 supplements now include K2 in the formula. Which of these vitamins have you been unknowingly taking at the wrong time? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single one, and I'm genuinely curious about your experiences with leg strength and these supplements. If you're serious about finally building the strong, stable legs you deserve at your age, I've created something special just for you. My 30-day leg strength meal plan contains over 90 high-protein, nutrient-dense meals specifically designed to work alongside the vitamins I just shared with you. Every single recipe is strategically crafted to maximize electrolyte balance, boost glutathione production naturally, and enhance vitamin D3 absorption. Plus, I've included the exact meal timing strategies to optimize how these vitamins work together in your body. You'll find the link to this comprehensive meal plan in my pinned comment or in the description below. But here's something even more exciting. Tomorrow, I'm revealing some top Japanese doctors' guided tips and secrets on how to build muscle and live long. I can only share this critical information with my subscribers first, so if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do it now. You don't want to miss tomorrow's video. See you tomorrow, Senior Food Blog.